I'm really excited to be here in Southwick today. We're at 234 Feeding Hills Road. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Steph, I'm really excited for you to show us around. I got to see the befores, newly renovated here. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's a great property. It's got a pool in the back. Come take a look inside.
Oh wow, the transformation of this place is just unbelievable.
Yeah, it's really nice open floor plan in here. Look how big this kitchen is.
All right, let's go down the hall to the primary bedroom. I love that barn door they had.
Totally, it's super cool, and this room also offers sliders to the back as well as its own bathroom. The roof is newer, it's actually metal. The vinyl siding is brand new and there's central air.
Great, okay, there's another really big room with tall ceilings here, a bedroom. That's off of the kitchen. And then we turn back around and we're going to see the other bedroom and fully renovated bathroom. Yeah, I love the work they did, kept some of these beams.
Yeah, there's so much character.
Yeah, and even the backyard is large and is that fenced in?
Totally fenced in, and there's a pool.
Well, Southwick did not disappoint today. If you're looking for a house, this is a great one. Hit Stephanie up for a private showing, and let's talk about maybe some financing options. Great programs in Massachusetts for first-time homebuyers as well. Hit me up, would love to chat. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. Southwick, thanks for having us. We're out of here.